Ethan, look. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright. Look. Oh. Ethan, it's alright. No need to scare off. Look.
Welcome to Ethan and Eva's fun time.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's alright. Look. Oh. Ethan, it's alright. No need to scare off. Look. Oh, that's so cute. Ethan. It's alright. It's okay. No, it's alright. Hello, buddy. See, lots of buddy. Look, can you see some ducks? And can you see some fishes? Yeah. And Ethan, how was your experience with the birds? Good, you were scared a bit? Yeah, I know. Oh. Eva, were you scared of the buddy? Really? Oh. What? Ethan, where we are now? Yeah, it's Tiger Rock. I can see some adventures, I think. Oh, it's very interesting. Yeah, Tiger Rock. Look, Tiger Rock entrance this way. Yeah, lovely music. Look, it's a big Buddha. Oh, look, giant Buddha of Kamakura, Japan. Oh, it's so big. Yeah. Look, Ethan, what's that? Oh, big tiger. And I think boat is coming under there. Woo! Oh, it's an empty boat. Yeah. Would you like to go in there? Or too scared?
I would like to go on the one that won't go.
Oh, that's really lovely. But second boat is also empty. Eva, would you like to go there? Not scary? No?
Oh, that one's so cool.
Yeah. And are you ready for adventure? Eva, are you? Yeah, where we're going? Then inside the car.
Yes, to see the animals.
Yeah. Thank you. Off we go. Chuti, careful. Ready, steady and go. Yay! You two are driving. Oh, very good driving, Ethan and Eva.
This is like a local.
Yeah, true. Wow. Very nice. Say beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Are you going round the corner? Yeah. I can see some chicken. Oh, where we are going? What's that inside? Oh, some chicken. It's a tunnel, yeah, and there is a frog. Hello, froggy. Yeah, and look, some meerkats. Oh, or maybe dragon, I don't know, yeah. Looks like combination of meerkat and dragon. Bye-bye. Come on, fireman Ethan. Where is your car? Come on, bring the fire engine. Yay! There is some fire. Oh, cool. Uh-oh. Very good driving, Ethan. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is Fireman Sam or Fireman Ethan? Sorry, what's that? Fireman Sam. Andy, oh okay, yeah, two people are there. So Fireman Sam and Fireman Ethan just bumped into. Oh dear, bumped into the car. Oh, ah, lovely. Very good. Uh-oh.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching.